Okay, boys and girls, I have Isabella's writing right here, okay? And Isabella wrote 2 sentences about butterflies. She's missing what goes at the end of a sentence. What goes at the end of a sentence? Charlie?
A period.
Yeah, usually a period. Some kind of punctuation mark has to be at the end of the sentence. It has to tell you that there is a part that we're naming and then what that naming part did. And it also gives the reader a chance to kind of stop for a second. So when we're looking at Isabella's writing right here, we're looking for a place where you have a naming part and what it did, and then we need to put the period right there. All right, so let me read it to you. Little butterflies can migrate, butterflies can fly far away. This is 2 sentences. That means there has to be 2 punctuation marks there. Can we think in our head where you would put the end of that first sentence? Where would you put your first period? Would it be little butterflies, period? Would it be little butterflies can, period? Would it be little butterflies can migrate, period? Would it be little butterflies can migrate butterflies? What makes sense to you? What sounds correct to you when you think about how I read those words? What sounds correct in your head? Charlie, go ahead.
Little butterfly can migrate.
Whoa. You think the period goes like right after the word migrate? Can you please add it because you're correct, and we're going to talk about why you're correct in just a second. Okay. Can you make it a little bit bigger? We want to make sure we can totally see it. Okay, perfect. Let me erase that one. We only want one. Do you agree? Yes, we agree. Okay, so little butterflies can migrate. What are we talking about?
Butterfly.
Yeah, we're talking about butterflies. What do the butterflies do?
Fly.
Well, it doesn't say fly. They said they can migrate. Okay, so that's what they're doing. All right, little butterflies can migrate. That was a really good job. Where's the end of our second sentence?
Oh, I know this.
This might be kind of easier because it's the only sentence left. I told you there was 2. Desian? Come up if you want. You think right there. Okay. Let's talk about why. Okay. Because I know you're like, that's the end of the story, so there has to be a period at the very end, right? Okay. Where does our sentence begin? Where does this sentence begin? After this period, then the new sentence begins right there, correct? Okay, so let me read it to you. Have a seat, okay? So we can all see. So the second sentence says butterfly. Read it with me. Butterflies can fly far away. What are we talking about? What are we naming? Butterflies again. What are they doing in this sentence?
Butterflies can migrate far away.
But you have to look at this sentence. Butterflies is what we're naming. And then what are the butterflies gonna do? Can fly far away. All right, how many sentences did we have here? Show me your fingers. 2. How many periods do we have here? 2.